Nikki, come here. Nikki. Oh, I love you.
You know you're famous for being dramatic? Yes. Oh, Maya! You are so freaking dramatic.
Came home early to surprise my girl with a bubble bath for Valentine's Day. What the hell?
Whoa, damn your girl so fine, but her breath is like whoa. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Whoa.
Making my way back home, been a long day. Time to see my fluffy dog.
Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time! Y'all are so snoozy!
Okay, pause.
We're gonna skateboard, damn it!
Cachorro peão.
Say mama. Yeah.
Hey, yo, buddy, can I have some of that sparkling waterful?
What do you want? No ice cream for Mika. That's not good, okay? Next time. No, next time. Okay, Mika?
Was that a pretzel? I didn't know you was that flexible.
This is my hair wet, a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet.
Whoa.
Mira.
Sorry. Roxy, baby. Hey.
Every time my dad finishes a meeting, he says thanks guys, and I know it's time for a pat.
Thanks, guys.
I love you. Can you say Mike Wazowski?
Can you say I'm Dory?
Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on, get in. Come on. Come on, get in. Come on, Charlie. Charlie, get in the tub. Charlie, come on. Go. Charlie. Charlie, get in the tub.
Come here. Do you want some broccoli? Can you speak? Stay. Paw. Oh, good boy. Stay. Can I get a ow? Ow, ow. Oh, good boy. All right. Lay down. Lay down. Up, up. Stay. 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 Get that face up there. Don't you move. You can have it in 3, 2, 2.5. Not until I say that magic word. Look at you and your patience. All right. You know how cool you look like if you had a hat on? Stay. Good boy. 3, 2. You're such a gentleman. Such a pristine gentleman. You're so good. 1. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Look at your hat. Look at it. Aww.
Pollo. Me gusta el pollo. Para la cena. ¿Es tu cena? Para la cena el pollo. El pollo. El pollo para cenar. Para cenar. Muy rico. Muy bueno. Vale, espera. Toma, tu cena más.
¿Pero qué haces? ¡Socorro! ¡Socorro! ¿Qué haces?